This little beauty is a LabQuest, and this piece of equipment allows us to do so many different things in the world of technology. You take a look at just some simple features of the LabQuest itself. Here's a periodic table built in. Tap on any of the reference atoms on the periodic table. You can find any kind of information you want about that atom. It's got a built-in audio function generator in which we can use in many different sound labs. It generates sound at different hertz, different frequencies, different tones, if you will. It's got some accessories here. It's got a sound recorder. We can record things. We can use a calculator. We've got a stopwatch. It's got all kinds of nifty little features. But 99% of the time, that's not what we use this LabQuest for. What we use this LabQuest for is to plug in probes. And so the probeware that's connected with this LabQuest is really simple. All you have to do is insert the probe into one of the connections, and now we're reading things such as temperature. There's 76 different probes that we can connect to this LabQuest, all the way from temperature generation to gas chromatograph, something that you might find in a lab in a research hospital. The device is Wi-Fi compatible, and so I can link it to one of my students' laptop computers, and in doing so can bring up exactly what you see on the LabQuest on the computer, and we can monitor things. We can connect in real time. We can graph things such as temperature variations. And so basically what you're doing on the LabQuest you can see right on your computer. And of course, one of the things that it means for me is that I can project this on my overhead. And students can see demonstrations, or they can watch data being taken by any of the groups in the classroom, because each of these things are Wi-Fi compatible. So I can hook my computer, I can link my computer up via Wi-Fi to any of the groups in the classroom, and we can watch what's happening in any of the groups, individual groups in the classroom as a class. Now, to anything that has a browser, you can link that item up to your LabQuest just using that browser and the HTTP address, and you can connect via Wi-Fi. And now my students are able to use another piece of software on their computers to manipulate this data. For example, if they want to find the slope of this line, or if they want to find the highest point, or whatever kind of analysis tool you can imagine they have available on their computer to analyze the graphics that they uploaded from their LabQuest.
Jake, I got those.
Holy crap, you're so far away now.
Oh.
There.
Yeah.